Hi, this is John with WTI, and I'm definitely the guy that once they go into the car and they ask like, "Do you have gums?" I'm always the guy who has one, and this is where this Wrigley Extra Spearmint comes into place. And one of the things that I like the most from this is in the package it says 15 sticks, 15 opportunities to connect, and that's exactly what it is. This gums is a nice, long-lasting flavor spearmint that every single time that I just tell people, "Do you want to gum?" or they ask me about one, it feels like I'm connecting or I'm showing them like some hospitality to it. It's really good and convenient that you can just, it's a nice box that you can just like place it up pretty much anywhere. I place it in the cabinet on my car, or I have like different locations to this. And you never know when a pack of gums could be a savior for you or a savior for the person that you're going around with. So it has a really nice flavor, long lasting flavor, and it has like a really good effect on your breath. Like I can feel like I'm feeling fresh, like I can speak with somebody, and I'm not gonna be scared at all. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.